I wanted to do a quick video on the sun shade that I put. This is an upstairs apartment entrance. It's west facing. This is the afternoon sun, and it's about 2:45 in the afternoon. The goal was to shade the door primarily due to some issues with aligning it to hold it down on the low end. I couldn't provide complete shade, but we got most of it shaded throughout the afternoon sun. And one of the things I wanted to show, we're intermittent sunlight, but it's mostly sunny, is this is in the sun, run about 125 degrees roughly. Come over onto the white fascia and it's about 106. But you come over here in the shade and the white doesn't drop down a lot, 102. But when you shift over here, that's a good 15 degrees cooler. That has made this door, which was in the afternoon sun impossible to put your hand on, it is actually much cooler now. And in the shade, it's 100 degrees, almost cool to the touch once you're climatized to the outside air. And I got a corner of the door that is in the sun. It's 109, but like I say, it's still a big difference. And I am very pleased with the shade itself. We had to bring it up so that the door would open. It's not a rainproof shade, but the nice thing is the open weave design also allows a lot of the air to pass through it. Once I'm satisfied with this position, we're going to replace these temporary straps with a more permanent type of a hold down. But all in all, very pleased with it. It actually makes the entire back area here on the upstairs deck something you could actually stand to sit out in the afternoon sun.